Hello everyone, my name is Toby. Welcome to another session with me. So today we're going to be learning how to edit portrait pictures. So sometimes you take picture and we look serious in the picture. Fear not, because you can actually edit your face to make yourself smile, edit your eye, edit your chin. When you look fatter, you can make yourself look slimmer and this kind of stuff with Photoshop. So we're going to start by opening this in Photoshop. So yeah, I'm going to edit it with the picture I just downloaded online. Picture of a girl I downloaded online. So I'm using a Photoshop CC 2018. It might be harder on Photoshop CS, whatever you're using. But I'll advise you get a Photoshop CC. Anyone. CC 2015, 17, or 18. I haven't seen 16, or 19 or 20. Yes, they are the better. So this is my picture now in Photoshop. I'm going to start by editing the clarity of my picture. First, selective color, and then I go to before you selective color, check out what color do you have on your image. I have blue, I have yellow on the air part, I have red shade, I have cyan. So those are the colors you're going to edit in your selective color. So let's start with blue. So cyan, magenta, yellow, which is CMYK. Cyan, magenta, yellow, black is K. So the opposite of cyan is red, opposite of magenta is blue, and the opposite of yellow is green. RGB, sorry, red, green, blue. You get, so just like RGB and CMYK, the opposite, and then definitely the black is white. So now I'm going to increase my cyan because I want to increase the blue on my image. Increase my cyan. So when I reduce yellow, I increase blue. Reduce yellow, and then magenta gives green. So I think it should be, let's try to increase. Yeah, increase. This is better. Now let's go to blue. Blue, increase cyan, reduce yellow, and then increase this. So now let's go to yellow, increase cyan. To this part, I think I need to increase yellow, and then reduce green. Red, increase cyan just a little bit, increase yellow. So let's go back to the blue. I forgot to do something. So increase the power, darkness, shade. So you can see her eyes are getting very blue, which is very nice. Extra. Oh no, look at the difference. This is sharper. This is way better. This is used for clarity and to sharpen the image. So some people use camera raw filter. That's also very nice in editing because that's everything there. So next thing we're going to go to is to cut it long story short, we'll go to liquify. So this is a very short step to use to just edit your face, restructure your face, and make it very nice. So see, automatically the image captures your face, your eye, your nose, your mouth. See everything here because it's a portrait. So your picture needs to be detailed. Your face needs to show very well. So let's start by editing the mouth. The picture is so serious that we need to increase her smile. So let's add the smile for her. See, she's smiling. She's smiling. Now that's a good smile. So you see, very easy, very easy. How many minutes does it take us? Nothing less than 5 seconds. So see, and we can edit the upper lip if you want to, edit the lower lip if you want to, the mouth. I think the mouth is okay. Yeah. So now let's go to the jawline. This is to increase and this is to reduce. So let's restructure the face. I think reducing it will be nice. Face width. Let's make it a little bit slimmer. Yeah. Reduce point. Perfect. So I click on OK. Yes, this is very nice. This is very, very nice. Look at the difference. Just Ctrl Z. Yeah, she looks more fatter and serious, but yeah, very nice smile. See, looks friendly here. So last thing we're going to do now is to create a new layer above the layer, and then a color lookup layer, and then we just go down to Moonlight from the night from day. Wow, I love this effect. And then maybe reduce the opacity a little bit. So it just look like it's the night time. So I'll advise use knife for day for glow. Maybe you want to like make, maybe she's holding something and then you want to make it glow in the dark, all this kind of stuff. Use knife from day. Very nice for editing and very perfect. So thank you, that's all for today. This is just a short video to teach you how to enhance images and also edit the face structure. Thank you very much, and please do not forget to subscribe. God bless. I'm out. Woo!